What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got something really important.
What's up, YouTube?
But yeah, what's up? Today we have something really important and special. I got a new steering wheel from DCTMS.
Can I get the price?
Oh yeah. So we just opened it up, but woo!
400.
It was
300.
450. Because then I was supposed to get a carbon fiber one, but then he said, "Oh, we're gonna do it in bulk order." And I wasn't trying to wait for like another 5 months because it's been already 5 months. So then I just wanted to put this on, but it didn't come with the carbon fiber on top. But it's okay. It has a flat bottom steering wheel.
Just put the fake carbon fiber wrap.
Yeah, fuck it, right? But it looks pretty good though. It comes with the blue stitching on the side, blue and white. It looks really good. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah. But it's good. So then first thing you want to do is you're gonna want to disconnect the battery so that the airbag doesn't go off and blow up in your face, right?
Or same.
It's thicker, man, like you.
It
is? Yeah.
No,
touch it, feel it.
It feels good though.
So we just disconnected the battery, and then now I think T30 screws right on the side of the steering wheel. So right, oh shit, don't look at that. Oh, literally right. Yeah, I told you to bring it.
I got T40.
Huh? Should be like right. Oh, right here. So you're gonna pop this out.
Wait 15 minutes for the airbag.
And then the other side as well, right here, where the cruise control is. See? Okay, so to take off this side panel, I guess you're gonna want to use a really thin flathead and just pry at it. Same thing with the other side as well. Okay. Oh.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. What are you doing today? Why
Taking out the
putting so much money in your car for?
Cause it's a sand scar. So I can't see, bro.
You think the government likes that?
No.
EDD approves of your budget?
Hell yeah, bro.
She just hit the bush. Come on, dog.
What?
She just like hit her own bush.
So right now we just unscrewed both sides, and then this part should pop out like that. See? And then you want to be very careful, right? Even though we disconnected the battery, there could be power going through the car.
Some electricity.
Yeah, electricity, and then you're gonna want to take the flathead. We'll go back.
It's right under you, the flathead.
Hmm? Hey, bitch.
What's it? I think Tony probably sniffs before he drives.
Sniff it for good luck, you know. Yellow parts are here. You're gonna want to push it.
Dang, okay.
Push it back.
No, that's like a VQ.
Yeah, and then should push this other side.
The rev limiter.
That?
Yeah.
And we really easily. That's it.
Damn, you're so smart, Tony.
Hire me, bro.
You knew that, right?
Of course.
Alright, so all you gotta take out 6 bolts. Oh shit. And
then you're gonna want to unscrew everything and then take out the paddle shifters and put it onto the new one as well.
Right.
And then the middle one is a 19.
This comes off.
Yeah.
This is all the stuff's off. 19?
Yeah, here. So 19.
Alright, this bolt a little tight, you know?
Make sure it's on here.
That was like 25 at most. So you just gotta.
Woo! Easy. What's that? The rig?
Alright, yeah, you can put some grass.
And then we'll probably do everything. Yeah. And then we're gonna transfer everything over right now. So here's the old one compared to the brand new one right here, side by side. You can definitely tell it's a little thicker and it's not oily and messed up like this one. Yo, eat it?
Nah, bro, I went for you.
Oh, okay, for sure. Damn. Looking fresh, bro.
Thank you.
Woo!
Stanley
shoe. Right here. At him right here. So then the process is pretty simple. So then you just want to take it all off and then throw it back on here. Most of it should be self-explanatory. So the buttons are gonna go right here on the side. Paddle shifters are gonna go on the back. And then all the equipment is gonna just see all these holes right here. They just thread in. And then after that, literally just plug and play, put it back together, and you should be done. Just remember, just follow the steps. Watch from the beginning if you need help, but yeah. See you soon. One thing I forgot to mention is for the new core, I guess, you're gonna want to reuse this plastic part. Yeah, this trim that goes on behind the steering wheel, okay? So make sure to put everything back onto here. I forgot to mention that, so just make sure to put that in or else it's gonna look really weird. You gotta make sure it's straight, right? The airbag?
No, you have to make sure this is straight, actually.
I thought this, the airbag.
This is that too, but this.
How do you know it's straight?
Two notches.
Okay, guys, make sure that is straight so that you know your sting won't be off. Make sure it's good.
Yeah. That? Yeah. Sure? Yeah? Yeah. You sure? Yeah.
Hopefully this shit doesn't break on me. And so now just plug all the clips back in, screw everything together, and then put in the 19 in the middle, and then obviously hand tighten it to about like what, 25?
25, 30.
Yeah, foot-pound torque.
Let's see.
25.
Yeah, that was nothing. Yeah, that's cool. Is it?
Do a little more, a little more.
Yeah, I feel it.
I feel it.
That's good. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Alright. Hopefully you're saying this straight after, but we can just adjust it.
Just make sure everything works, okay? Make sure the paddle shifters, this, and then, yeah.
Yo, it looks too good though.
Looks hella sick though. Flat bottom. I'm gonna just have to wipe it down because then we got a little dirty, but it should be fucking perfect. Yeah, this feels fucking good, dude.
The flat bottom.
So the homie Alan just pulled up. What's up, my guy? Yeah, so cheers. So yeah, we're just gonna finish everything up. So the horn was kind of weird. It started to honk on itself, so we gotta get that shit fixed. Cause dude, we were driving and there was this girl and she thought I was honking at her. I was like, bro, what the fuck? It was the car, bro. Yeah, they thought it was me. I was like, bro, chill, bro. I was like, it's not me, bro. So yeah, get this fixed. All right, so we just put in the steering wheel, put everything back together, and then everything works. So here's a final look at the steering wheel. Looks hella good. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.